Okay, let's listen.
That's a dog! Yeah, he's got fleas.
How can you tell?
Oh, that little yelp at the end.
Yeah?
Flea bark.
Whoa, you otters are good. Guess you can learn a lot from sounds. Okay, let's listen.
Bear! What's that sound?
That's a scary sound!
Okay,
Bear,
everybody.
what should we do? It's a scary sound.
Guys, come on. Calm down, everybody. Let's find out what's making that sound. Luckily, I have my flashlight.
Whoa, it's scary. So
What could be making that sound?
It sounds like a
Hey!
kid.